y'all, it's Laura Abernathy Huffman coming to you from downtown 66 in Waynesville, Missouri. Today I'm sitting at the intersection of Pippin Road and Park Street in downtown Waynesville. This building that I have the camera focused on right now is the former Bell Hotel. Matter of fact, I was looking at a postcard of the Bell Hotel the other day, and I kind of noticed something in the background. So I'm going to make a trip around this loop that doesn't get a whole lot of traffic down here and see what I can see, and just to show you guys what I see. So here we go. So back in the day, there was a banker in town named Bert Bell, and he was a brother to Robert Bell, who had the Bell Hotel. He was a cashier at one of the local banks, and there may have been a little bit of trouble going on with the bank because he ended up committing suicide. I know he lived in one of these houses back here, but I've never been able to figure out exactly which one it is. Maybe someday we'll get that figured out. Another Giraffe Rock home. All these houses, man. Waynesville's got so much cool history just tucked back and around everywhere. Trying real hard, guys, to get everything documented. This one here is marked as number 207. Now we're on Bell Circle in Park Street. Looks like there's a lot of stuff missing back here now too. There's lots of empty lots where you can tell that there probably was something at one point in time. Side of what was the Bell Hotel. We're at the intersection of Swedberg Road and North Bell Avenue now. I'll drive us past the front of it. This here would have been where the Bell Complex was. Also, there was cabins, there was a restaurant here. Every blooming thing, you can't see it there in the to my right now, but that was a service station at one point. And this road that I'm driving on right now actually would have been the main road through Waynesville. I guess I'll go down and show you guys that. Also, while I'm sitting here in front of the funeral home, of course, the funeral home, they're trying to do business. They're taking care of people in their hardest times of their lives. But they're good folks who work here. So if you're coming through Waynesville and you want to see something unique and interesting, if they're not busy, if they're not having families in here, stop in and ask them to show you the old log cabin that that the Bell Hotel was originally built around. It's very cool for all the locals in the area. I promise you, once you see the log cabin in the Bell Hotel, you'll never be able to unsee it. All right, so now we're back to where I originally started. We're going to be heading down towards the Rubydewcreativehouse campground. If you're driving an RV on Route 66, I highly recommend that you stay down here at this campground. They don't allow campfires, which is kind of a bummer, But I tell you what, being down here in the heart of downtown Waynesville, you basically be camping with the famous Ruby Bridge is going to be right there, just upstream from your campsite. You're going to be able to trout fish. You're within walking distance. Like you can do what Mr. Reinhardt did, but don't get hit on the bridge. But you can do what Mr. Reinhardt did, and walk over to downtown Waynesville, walk around the square, explore the museums. There's lots of cute shops, eclectic originals. Just because, get you some ice cream from Gypsy Sam. Alright, so again, this road that I'm driving on, it would have been the old approaches to the first bridge are down in this area. We'll get out and walk that someday and take you guys around. Pretty quiet morning, Memorial Day morning in the campground, downtown Waynesville, on the side of the old bridge and our current bridge. Look at how gorgeous those bluffs are. And the bluff where you can see the rock base there, that should be Bell Bluff. That's where the memorial, or the that's where the oh heck, I'm losing my words now, guys. Somebody help me out. The nativity scene every year, that started in 1952, but anyways, it's up on that hillside. Even if you've never driven through downtown Waynesville before, if you've always just bypassed this on the interstate, you've probably seen that nativity scene. It's been going on since 1952. I believe it was the Waynesville Lions who first put that together. Let's see here. We also drove past, you saw the Farmers Market Pavilion. Friendliest farmers market in central Missouri. They are down here every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. year round. So if you're looking for stuff, even in the middle of winter, check out the farmers market. Now I'm down here again. Now I'm kind of back right across from where the farmers market pavilion is, but our master gardeners are doing a exhibition garden down here, so come out and check that out too. Thanks to the master gardeners, thanks to all the vendors and all the people who make the farmers market happen. Bruce, I know you've been doing that for a long time, and I just want you to know that I appreciate you, buddy. Also, while you're down in this area, I highly recommend that you take this road down to the Ruby Creek Conservation Area. Very, very pretty down there. You can get out there, walk around, explore. So now we're heading back towards the Bell Hotel, the Waynesville Memorial Chapel. I want to leave you on this note here with the Ruby Springs Campground. Guys, thanks for driving around with me on this Monday morning. If you like what I do, please click like. Please leave me a comment. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me what you want to see about Downtown 66. Share my videos, alright? I love seeing my videos pop up in my feed on Facebook. So I appreciate it all, guys. We're going to make this channel. We got lots of interesting stuff to talk about here in Waynesville and Pulaski County, so it's going to be awesome. As always, peace, love, and light from Downtown 66, Waynesville, Missouri.